Connor New and Hunter New, family and teammates are going to go side by side in both number 10 machines. Wes Hendrickson, Tucker Ray, it'll be Dale Cox, Kirby Suttle, and Aniston Bush, and Scotty Rhodes going to round out the field at For Your Sport Mods. 18 laps going to be the distance. 10 cars on the Speedway, Beckley Speedway. Let them hear it as we are underway. Track's a little slicked off, and there goes Bill Pritchard Jr. to the lead. Pritchard Jr. to the lead. The number 7 is Zach Sears in trouble in turns 1, 3, and 4, as Pritchard's going to be able to drive away. Zach Sears, you have Hunter New and Connor New going to battle it out for the 3rd and 4th spot. Connor New going to be to the low side. You'll have Hunter New in the blue number 10 up on the outside as they go side by side, door to door, as Bill Pritchard Jr. is your race leader. As Bill Pritchard Jr. is still your race leader into this one, as you got him going around the Speedway, as the number 7 is Zach Sears. It'll go to Hunter New and Connor New, your top 4, as Wes Hendrickson is making his way around the outside to number 14. Connor New trying to work to the bottom of that number 10. No speed there, as Bill Pritchard Jr. just continues to pull away in that number 94. Oh, we got one around. It's going to be number 14 of Wes Hendrickson. As it looks like Wes Hendrickson has just took out our restart zone flag. So we'll see if Bill Pritchard Jr. is going to be able to continue to do what he's doing. Just drive away through the field. He took the lead from Zach Sears around the outside of the Speedway and just kind of took off after that. Hey, Jamie, fun fact, Lethal Chassis are built out of Pennsylvania. As Bill Pritchard Jr. is going to rip here. It's good to see a little bit of homeland here tonight at the Beckley Speedway. We're back underway. Pritchard Jr. just off to a big commanding lead early in turns 1 and 2. Here comes Hunter New on the outside. Hunter New's got the run. Oh, he gets his nose chopped off going into 3 and 4. It's going to allow Connor New to the inside as he dives at the bottom as Zach Sears struggles off of 3 and 4. Connor New to the bottom side. Hunter New airing at number 10 as the number 7 is Zach Sears drives down to the backstretch. It's still the battle of the family as it's Connor New to the inside. Sears is stuck in the middle with 3 and 4. Good battle for the 2nd spot. Connor New to the low side of Sears. Sears in the number 7 up on the outside. They go down to the backstretch as it's still Bill Pritchard Jr., your race leader. Connor New is able to work the bottom, and at number 10 is Zach Sears defends on the outside as now Sears works on the top of turns 1 and 2. The battle for that 2nd spot is the place to be. 10 more trips around the Speedway this time by. Good fight. Oh, we got one spun around in turns 1 and 2. That's going to be the number 4 machine. I believe that's the number 4 from here. So race control is going to get them all lined up. It's still Bill Pritchard Jr. in that number 94 machine, and that Lethal Chassis is still your race leader. Zach Sears in that number 7 going to choose on the inside. Connor New in the C10 going to try the outside. You have Hunter New in that number 10 there. As we're still having problems here getting these guys lined up, the 14 is going to take the outside. As Bill Pritchard Jr. is going to lead into the green, we're back underway. Pritchard Jr. is going to work to the outside. Oh, we got 2 cars spun around on the front stretch. It's the 83 machine of Dale Cox, and you'll have the 9 of Kirby Suttle around on the front stretch here for your Sport Mod division. As we are just over halfway to go here for the Sport Mods. Zach Sears on the inside. Connor New back to the outside. Hunter New there as well with the number 14 machine of Wes Yeah, Hendrickson. So is Hendrickson's in the 14 as we're going to restack them and rack them. Your sport mods are back underway. As they race into turns 1 and 2, it's going to be Pritchard Jr. Here we go. Connor New with a charge into turn 3 and 4. Dies it back down to the bottom side where he's good for that battle for the second spot. And we got a piece of big sheet metal in turn 3 and 4. And the other 14 around once again in 1 and 2. And the 83 machine of Scotty Rhodes also goes around. Sport mods here. We are just 8 more trips to end this. Bill Pritchard Jr. has just been dominant. Zach Sears, Connor New. We're ready to go. We're back underway. Pritchard Jr. leads until the outside. Zach Sears in the number 7, but the number 10 to Connor New for that third spot. Hunter New in the number 10 as well. As you have the 7B of Ashton Bush slow in the backstretch. As the 83 of Scotty Rhodes has got a lot of damage on that nose. Bill Pritchard Jr. is just up through the middle of 3 and 4, looking good in that lethal chassis machine. As Bill Pritchard is clicking laps away with a 15.516. Battle's going to be for the second spot. Zach Sears in the number 7 and Connor New in the C10. New is able to work the bottom in 3 and 4, where Zach Sears is better in turns 1 and 2. As Connor New's turking to the bottom, you will have a battle for the second spot. New messes up off the exit of turn number 2. As it's going to be the 7 of Zach Sears up on the outside. We are just under 4 yet to go this time by. As Pritchard Jr. is going to be working the outside in turns 1 and 2, you'll have the number 7 of Zach Sears. Sears still hanging on to that second spot. It's Connor News able to work the bottom in 3 and 4 once again. He's a little bit better with a 15.833. They're about even between times. Bill Pritchard Jr. just absolutely driving away with this one. Last lap time at the 15.693. As Zach Sears is up on the outside with number 10 of Connor New right there behind him. Like I said, the battle is still for that second spot. Sears up on the outside. Should see 2 to go this time by. White flag in the air for that number 94 of Bill Pritchard Jr. As the battle for second continues on here for the Sport Mod division here at the Beckley Speedway. Connor New to the inside of the number 7 of Zach Sears cannot get there. As Bill Pritchard Jr. going to make his way through 3 and 4. Gets the checkered flag. Second will go to Zach Sears. It'll go to Connor New, Hunter New. Battle between Dale Cox and Tucker Way. And it'll go to the 83 of Dale Cox for that 6th spot. Or for the 5th spot, Tucker Ray will be there for the 6th spot, and Aniston Bush will be in 7th, and Scotty Rhodes will limp that 83 for the 8th spot. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, it is time for the American All-Star Series Dash. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment that y'all been waiting for here tonight, but congratulations for the number 94 of Bill Pritchard Jr., everybody. They call him Sunshine. Bill Sunshine is his nickname. Man, I'm learning a lot of stuff. Congratulations, Bill Pritchard Jr. on the win.